and welcome back to the third and final part of the tutorial. Okay, to take care of adding the information onto the spreadsheet, maybe I should just reverse the whole process. I'm going to copy everything I have in here, just cut it all off, cut, and undo. I'll leave that in there. All I just need to do is change this one to CMD total there. Okay, now change the caption to total or add payment there. Now this other caption right here, change that to CMD add items, and here that will become add items. Now we add all of the information to the spreadsheet, the total wages or payment. Okay, that's fine, add payment. Alright, and I might need one more button for refresh, just for resets. I think I'm going to need one more button right here. Maybe we should copy one of these and change the name to reset. Yeah, that's fine, and just reduce this. Alright, that's fine. Okay, that's sorted now. So if I double click on add item, so I declare the following variables as local variables right there. So what this means is from A to 6,350. That's a call for column A. So the next thing I'll now say is the variable add item, add new, that I declared up there. I would then say dot offset. That means go to the next line or the next row. Offset, that would be 0, 0, which stands for cell 0 dot add value. This very value right there, and the value I intend to add is txt employee name dot text. So that will be for the very first one. So I might as well just copy this and change the rest around. I have about 20 something, 21 or 22. So I'll speed that up and get back to you guys. Okay, I just finished coding this add items. So let me just show you guys the codes for the add items. Then we'll try it out. Double click on it. Those are the codes for add items all the way. Okay. Now let's go back in here. If we double click on reset, now let's enter the code of an add items and just modify it. Delete that, and reset will be as follows. So I'm just going to copy that and repeat exactly the same thing for the rest of the components. And just enter that. So let me speed this up and get back to you guys. Okay, that's the reset code. There they are. The only component that will not be reset there is just the dates right there. So maybe we don't even need it at all. Let me just delete that. And that's the reset code, guys. So I will now run the program and enter data. So let's run it. Okay, now the name will be, I said, Mark Andrews. That's the name, and then let's say 3. Okay, so that's Mark Adams information. All I need to do now is to add all of that up there, and oh, this one is not sorted yet. So now this is my spreadsheet there. Okay, you can see that. So if let's say I move this here, if I now click on add items, see all of the information we have here of Mark Adams is right in there. See that? All of those information, though this one is wrong, we need to move this one to here. So that means the employer name should come here, or Mark Adams' name should be here. Okay, that's fine. We just need to make a couple of changes and that's it. And the date right here is not. Let's close this, the date right there. Let's get the dates formatted. Yeah, there's not enough room there for the date. Yeah, that's fine. So every other thing is fine apart from these two. Recommendation, I've not entered any information there. So let's go back into the whole system now and just get that sorted. So if we come in here, all we need is the period multiplied by whatever tax they've paid. Okay, just copy that, and the pension. Right, so double click on add, and right underneath here we need, actually I need the name of these guys here, taxable and pensionable. Double click and maybe just let's put that underneath here, taxable dot caption equals LBL tax dot caption multiply by this. Paste that there. So then the next one is this. We end up and repeat exactly the same thing. Dot caption equals period. We need the period of period of pay. So let's go back. What's the name of that? Okay, paste that in there. Dot tax. All right, and this will be, I think that will be this. Dot caption multiply by this. Period of pay is actually a number, so maybe we should declare variable here and just maybe declare the variable right in here. Let's say dim, then let's say period equals that. So all we just need to now do is copy this and paste this in here, so the number is now multiplying that. Alright, so the period of pay is ready. So we can just try that out and enter some information in there. Okay, so if I click on this there, so I just need to format the period of pay to get the data right. Okay, the period of pay is the total tax paid so far. That's the, multiply that by this will give you the total tax paid so far. That's for the taxable pay, and the pensionable pay, that's it, 4 multiplied by the pension pay for the year. So for the whole year it's paid 2,000 plus. So convert this to pound sign, and that's all there is to it. So let me do that now. So now come in here, and now need to format all of the above. Let's format that to pound sign, paste this right here, and paste this right in here as well. So that is that sorted. Now copy this, now copy this other one and paste it right in here, and that is that formatted. Yeah, so the last thing will be to now correct the mistakes on here. Just need to move a couple of components around, so I'll get that sorted and get back to you guys. Okay guys, all the errors have been corrected, so let's give it a final run So we start by entering the following data. Let's go for maybe Natalie Bowles. Okay, so the postcode, let's say, and overtime, she's well paid enough. So now if I click on add parent, all of the following information will be shown on the system. And just to show you guys, there is nothing here apart from the very first information on the spreadsheet. So let's add something here. Let's say Natalie's payroll information. Okay, alright, so have another look. There's nothing in there. So if I now come in here, add items, there, now let's verify. You can see Natalie's information on the spreadsheet, and let's go for the comment and see that as well. Let's close this. So if we open that, now we can see the comment of Natalie right in there. Natalie's payroll information. And that is how you develop your own payroll system using VBA in Excel. Okay guys, it's been a very long tutorial, so I'm just going to say bye for now.